Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we're learning useful words for inner body parts.
These words really help when you need to explain pain or discomfort.
Sometimes we point to one area and use the wrong word.
Exactly. We say stomach, but we may actually mean the whole abdomen.
Your stomach is one organ inside your upper abdomen.
Your abdomen is the larger area between your chest and your hips.
So I can say, I have pain in my lower abdomen.
Yes, and that is much clearer than saying something hurts somewhere down here.
That description keeps the doctor guessing.
Another useful pair is throat and neck.
Your throat is inside the front of your neck.
You might say, my throat hurts when I swallow.
The windpipe carries air towards your lungs.
The esophagus, or food pipe, carries food to your stomach.
Those two pipes are close together, but they have very different jobs.
One handles breathing, and the other handles your lunch.
Your lungs sit inside your chest and are protected by your ribs.
Your heart sits near the center of your chest, slightly to the left.
The liver is in the upper right side of your abdomen.
It does many jobs, so it is basically the quiet manager of the body.
Your kidneys sit towards your back, just below your ribs.
That is why kidney pain may feel more like back pain.
Your bladder sits low in your pelvis and stores urine.
When it is full, it definitely knows how to get your attention.
Your small and large intestines help digest food and remove waste.
People also use the word bowels when talking about this part of the body.
Your spine is the line of bones running down your back.
The spinal cord runs inside it and carries messages through the body.
Joints connect bones, and cartilage helps cushion them.
That is useful when explaining stiffness in your knees, hips, or shoulders.
The appendix is a small pouch in the lower right abdomen.
You may hear that word when someone has strong pain in that area.
Useful location phrases include under my ribs, deep in my chest, and near my spine.
Clear location words make your explanation much easier to understand.
Now, let's practice some natural sentences using these body part words.
Listen closely, speak out loud, and follow the rhythm.
I have a sharp pain in my upper abdomen.
My throat feels sore when I swallow.
The pain feels deep inside my chest.
I can feel pressure just under my ribs.
My lower abdomen feels tight and uncomfortable.
The pain seems to spread towards my back.
My bladder feels full even after I go.
I have a dull ache near my kidneys.
My stomach feels upset after I eat.
My bowels have not been moving normally.
I feel a burning sensation in my esophagus.
My chest feels tight around my lungs.
The pain is close to my spine.
My joints feel stiff in the morning.
I can point to the exact area that hurts.
Great work. You have finished today's shadowing practice.
Do not try to memorize every sentence.
Let the words become familiar through repeated listening.
Play the lesson again and notice the body part vocabulary.
Speak out loud, even when your voice does not feel perfect.
Each repetition will make your English clearer and more natural.
Stay patient, keep practicing, and enjoy your progress.
See you in the next lesson.